One of the 6 men charged in the deadly Esparto fireworks explosion now has an opportunity to walk out of jail. The judge set bail at $1.5 million for former Yolo County Sheriff's Lieutenant Sam Machado, who owned that property.
Yeah, he's one of several defendants charged with murder for the explosion that led to the death of 7 men in July last year. KCRA 3's Cecil Hannibal breaks down what happened in court.
6 of the defendants charged in the deadly Esparto fireworks explosion went before a judge today for further arraignment. The Yolo County District Attorney arguing Sam Machado, the landowner and the former lieutenant with the Yolo County Sheriff's Office, should be kept in custody and denied bond.
Well, this was a business, it's gone, therefore Mr. Machado getting out, there would be no harm to others. But that's very much looking in a microscope at a one-day event, when this was a conspiracy, a massive conspiracy for 10 years, and that is what is in the indictment.
Arguing his charge of implied malice murder is a violent felony, and that his past experience as law enforcement would spark fear among the victims' families over possible retaliation.
Mr. Machado is not a danger to the community.
Machado's attorney arguing he did not commit a violent crime and was simply the landlord and does not pose a flight risk.
I've heard some of those arguments today. So there are some unknowns here, but the court will set bail.
The judge agreed, granting Machado a $1.5 million bail. Also in the courtroom, Craig Cutright, the owner of Black Star Fireworks, and a former volunteer firefighter who's out on a $400,000 bond. Gary Chan Jr., who held the federal license for Devastating Pyrotechnics, along with Kenneth Chi, the owner of Devastating Pyrotechnics, were also in court. Chi, Lee, Tollefson, and Chan all charged with murder. Their defense attorneys requesting another continuance. Chan's attorney, who appeared virtually, told the court he no longer represents his client due to issues over finances. Chan and Tollefson are both set to appear before a judge again this Friday. In Yolo County, Cecil Hannibal, KCRA 3.